Hudson Special Collections Center. I've been here for many years, working as a librarian for my beloved city, and I believe in libraries, and I believe in workers' rights, and I believe in fair pay, and that's what we're fighting for, and safety.
And safety, when you talk about safety, what is it like for librarians?
It can be challenging. It can be really challenging. The library is trying really hard to make sure that our patrons and our staff are safe, but invariably we do get the problems, and so this is something that we really need fixed, and the city is responsible for our health and safety, and we want them to step up big time.
People have testified at the commission, the library commission, about the needs here. Why are they not listening?
They're on some other planet, I guess. I don't know. But if they just took a step into our libraries, they would see that there's a need. Use your library, find out what's going on, and be a good advocate for the city.
And what can people do who want to support you? I mean, how can they support you in the city in San Francisco?
Get out on the streets with us.
Are you going to be going on strike?
I don't know. That's up in the air right now.
The issue is real wages. Number one, wages. Contracting out. That's our wages.
How are they contracting out? Like what is it?
They're using other companies to sign up in place for instead of hiring city workers. Like for the nurses, they're contracting out with the registry outside, so they pay more money as opposed to hiring actual workers.
So it's cost saving.
It's a cost saving if they just hire the workers.
What does that do to services when they bring in other people?
Oh, well, do they have the empathy to do the service too? Do they stay on the job? As long as they need to know, because they're just like being shifted out and in and out.
My name is Ruben. I work at the San Francisco Public Library. One of our ongoing issues is the safety of our workers. We have a lot of branches who don't have a building and ground patrol officers. So we have 27 branches in total. 18 branches are without an 8207. That is a building and ground patrol officer who are trained in de-escalation. They don't carry weapons, and they create a safe environment for our patrons and our staff.
And have there been incidents where your members have been in danger? You and your members have been in danger?
Where our members have been
in danger because of the lack of staffing, a lack of
building and ground patrol officers. Yeah, there are incidents range from severe level incidents to minor incidents. So we've had a number of severe level incidents. Back in 2016, my manager was attacked, and in 2017, my wife was attacked. Fast forward into 2024, we still have severe level incidents, and staff are still being attacked, and we want to make sure our patrons have a safe environment as well. At the commission meeting, where we have the meeting of the commissioners, I requested that we make safety a strategic priority. They didn't follow through with that.
Why not? I mean, it seems like the dangers to the workers here is a serious issue.
Unfortunately, I can't answer for the commissioners or why they wouldn't prioritize that, but I brought it to their attention, and that includes our management team. So I can't speak for them, but I think it is a priority item for our members that we have safe environments for our patrons and for our staff.
And the stress level must be tremendous under those circumstances.
Well, I think the reality is the city has changed over time for a variety of factors. And so we just want to ensure the safety for our patrons and for our staff members. So, yeah.
And I mean, there's a social crisis. You have a lot of homeless people out here. Is that part of the problem?
Well, we welcome all our homeless patrons. They're very much part of our culture. As far as we're open to all patrons. So homeless or not, wherever status you are, we just need to make sure our places are safe and that they need to staff up appropriately. In this case, additional 8207 building and ground patrol officers, as well as fully staffing our branches.
And what can people do about supporting you?
Say again?
What can people do about supporting you?
Well, I think you're always welcome to go to the commission meeting and share that you think this is a priority, because they're the ones decision makers. I think just being in solidarity with our other workers by participating in actions such as these like today. They're all very important participating. And just making, if there's a comment form or suggestions that you agree with the fact that we need to have additional staff.
My name is Jenny McGrain. We're here from the union. We're talking about safe staffing. We're talking about fixing San Francisco.
If we don't get it, shut it down!